Welcome in my classroom. I'm your teacher Denise Omuneza. As you have seen me before in my videos, I teach Kinyarwanda. Kinyarwanda is the language spoken in Rwanda, and I teach all levels from level 1 to level 4. So today I just want to welcome you back from holidays. So we are back from holidays. We're going to start a new term from September 1st. So I'm so ready, waiting for you, waiting for students to come and join me to explore this new language. And those who have already started learning this language, welcome back. I'm so happy and excited to come back and teach you Kinyarwanda. Not only Kinyarwanda though, those who want to learn English also, you are welcome, because I always use English and Kinyarwanda together. And you can also sign up for English classes as well. So this is my office, as you can see. So I have put some posters. I just wanted to explain some posters before I do some classes, so that you know what is on my walls. So this is, for example, imboga ziwacu. Imboga ziwacu. So those are vegetables of our country or of our homes. So we have inyanya, karoti, amashu, ibitunguru, pavuro, seleri, dodo, isombe, ibihaza, ibibiringanya, poivro, tungurusumu. This is a poster of Kinyarwanda. If you want this kind of poster, you can contact me so I can deliver the poster to your house. So I have those posters in Kinyarwanda with pictures and words in Kinyarwanda. If you are interested in those posters, feel free to contact me. Imbuto ziwacu. Those are fruit, our fruit. We have avocado, umwembe, indimu, amapera, ibinyomoro, inkeri, inanasi, umuneke, pome, ichunga, amatunda, ipapai. So those are the fruits that we have in Rwanda, but some fruits that we import from outside, like pome, most of the time we get them from outside, but other fruit we can find it in Rwanda. This is also another poster, ibikoresho gakondo by'umuzika. So nukuvuga ngo we have this picture showing some traditional musical instrument. Have ikembe, ingoma, imiduri, imyirongi, inanga, na gitari. Another poster is about umuryango wanje, my family. So we have grandparents, parents, children. So this is also very good for people who want to learn the language. If you want this kind of posters, you know who to ask. Ask me in a comment or send me a message. I can send it to you. Abami b'u Rwanda. We have kings of Rwanda, 28 kings of Rwanda. This is a list of kings from the first one who were there in 1091. 1124, imagine, long time ago, until the last one. So this is a list of kings. Also, if you are interested, you can also ask me where to find those kind of posters. Very, very good posters. I have another one, ibihekane by'Ikinyarwanda. Those are consonant combinations, we call them in English. So where you have 2 or 3 or 4 consonants that are written together, and the way you read them and the examples. So all of them, we have them on this poster. This is very crucial for Kinyarwanda learners, because when you learn to pronounce Kinyarwanda, you have to focus on ibihekane, so that you know how to pronounce Kinyarwanda, how to read Kinyarwanda, how to write Kinyarwanda. This is very important. If you want, also you can ask me where to find these posters. We have inyamaswa zitera amagi. Those animals which lay eggs. Inkoko, amafi, ibikeri, ibishuhe, ibitagangurirwa, imibu, inkware, intozi. All these animals have to lay eggs. So you can also find this in my office, or if you want to buy it, I can do the order for you. Inyamaswa zo mu gasozi, wild animals. You can see many animals here in Kinyarwanda. If you want to learn Kinyarwanda, those posters, you need them. Because if you put posters somewhere in your house, in your room, in your kitchen or living room, it's something you see every day. That means the vocabulary can stick easily when you see things every day. So people who are visual most of the time, they like to have those kind of posters or flashcards or other flyers or posters to see the vocabulary, to see words, how they are written. So I encourage you to order those kind of posters, or if you want flashcards also, we do them. So we really do all the materials for Kinyarwanda. That's why our center is called Muraho Rwanda Language and Cultural Resources. So we have all kind of resources. Those that we don't have, we can even know where to find. So don't worry, just contact us. This ibice bigize umubiri, body part posters. Those are the body parts in Kinyarwanda. If you are struggling to learn body parts, take this poster, put it in your room. Every day you see it. But also the most important thing is to know how to pronounce. That's why we have to come to Denise's YouTube channel to learn how to pronounce this, because we are going to go through all this vocabulary on my channel. And also, most importantly, sign up for classes so that you can learn properly how to do this. We do online classes, in-person classes, everything. We have a group of teachers. It's not only me. If so many people contact me, I know how to do, so I will do it with my group. Another one is alphabet, mbonerahamwe y'inyuguti. So this is a Kinyarwanda alphabet and some animals. Thank you so much. So that is what you have in my office, so that you have an idea. Why do I put the posters? Sometimes it looks like ugly on the wall sometimes for people who don't like, but this is a classroom. That's why we put all these kind of posters for people who are visual, who likes to see pictures and words, so they can learn. Yeah, thank you so much.